Softorder is a supply chain management system designed to seamlessly automate the process where a customer places order for products with major manufacturing companies and then major distribution companies. So what Softorder does is it allows customers to place orders, monitor the process of their orders from the point where the order is being approved and moved for shipping up to the point where the order has been delivered or is being delivered at the customer's preferred location. So with Softorder, supply chain management becomes easy, convenient, fast, and then without any restriction, because a customer can monitor his order from his phone and a whole lot of other things. So what I'll be doing in this video is to introduce the software to you and show you the benefits of Softorder to your business and how it can transform your business positively.